We are the Pennsylvania Manufacturers Association.
We are the Pennsylvania Manufacturers Association.
Business in Pennsylvania.
And business in Pennsylvania is our business.
Governor, last month I tried to get you to comment on the report from the Attorney General's office regarding the Sandusky investigation.
Oh, this is real shifting gears.
It was. But because it wasn't made public yet, you didn't want to comment. Well, it's public now. And as I indicated last month, based on some reports that have been talking about the findings in the report said there was no evidence of political motivation in the prosecution or the timing of the investigation. I asked last month, you didn't answer, so I ask again this month, do you feel vindicated by that report?
Well, I knew that would be what that report had to say, because I knew what the facts were. I knew what the truth was in this. That report or that investigation was never delayed for the purpose of politics. It wasn't delayed for any purpose. It wasn't delayed. It was not as fast as some people would like it. It's not as quick as a TV program like CSI or something like that. It went at the pace that was determined by finding the evidence and making sure that we took a child predator, a serial child predator, off the street. And when I look at the result, the 45 of 48 counts of conviction, that Mr. Sandusky is in jail for the rest of his life, as he well deserves, I felt vindicated at that point. You know, anybody can Monday morning quarterback an investigation or the passage of a bill or whatever. You could have done this. You could have done that. You have to be there at the time. You have to understand the witnesses. And you have to have a pretty good knowledge of how to conduct investigations like this. And the team that was there had a very good handle on how to do this.
In the Q&A of that press conference, the Attorney General dug herself a little bit of a hole when she indicated that she thought 2 victims were victimized after the investigation, and because of the delay, they were caught up in the Sandusky molestation. She had to backtrack on that. Were you insulted, first of all, by those comments?
Was I insulted? You know, I've been in Harrisburg long enough. I don't think I recognize insults because you get a tough skin because everybody takes a shot. She dug her own hole, and she has to dig her own way out.